Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up an affiliate program in Woocommerce on your WordPress site. An affiliate program lets others promote your products and earn a commission for each sale they help make. Setting up a Woocommerce affiliate program uses performance-based marketing, where affiliates share your products with more people and you only pay commissions when a sale happens. This helps bring more visitors, boost sales, and grow your brand without big upfront advertising costs. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Once your browser is open, go to woocommerce.com. When you reach the page, log into your account. Now, under My Account, go to My Stores. In this section, we choose the store we want to set up. Just click this, for example, My Store. After that, go to Logins. We will pause here and you will see the option for affiliate. Please note, we need a premium account to install and activate the Woocommerce affiliate plugin. Only premium users can install and activate plugins. We are showing you how to activate and log in so you know where to find it. Once it is installed, click Install. After installation, the Activate button will show up. Click to activate. Once activated, go back to the plugin section. When you click WooCommerce, you will find the affiliate option at the bottom, under Products. When you see the affiliate option, click to enable affiliates on WooCommerce. This lets others promote your products. After that, click Save Changes. Once you save the changes, anyone can sign up to be an affiliate for your products on WooCommerce. That's how we set up an affiliate program in Woocommerce. Once everything is set up, affiliates can start promoting your products and earning commissions for your store.